Ayan na guys. Let me just say I was very disappointed with Ronald Alden Llamas for not making battle to my Marites about First Lady going like that kay Jesus Cuder. Sir Ronald, what happened? You were a hard-hitting guy. Love na love mo si Cheese. So what happened there?
Nakita ko yung trap. There was a trap door.
Si Ronald, wala akong narinig.
Oh,
Wala akong narinig.
Pati si, pati si Richard, sineset up ako. Trabaho ko yun eh. Trabaho ko mag-set up. Tapos
Wow.
gagawin sa akin.
Sir Ronald, sabi nga ni Oscar Wilde, only
Oh.
friends stab you in the front. True friends stab you in the front. Pero yung kalaban sa likod, at least ako,
Oh,
harap-harapan.
kakabili ko lang ng libro niya kahapon eh. Collection ng
Oscar
kanyang mga
Wilde.
writings kahapon
I
sa
love
book
that
sale.
guy. He's the best. I love that guy. Sobrang nakakatuwa siya. Um, bago pagtatawanan ng tao yung kulang ng pagsusuklay ko dito. Eto na, pag-usapan natin ng opposition. Kasing gulo ba ng opposition ng buhok ko ngayon or medyo may pag-asa na sila? What's happening with the real opposition, Sir Ronald?
Well, kung titignan mo yung mga survey, medyo malayo yung opposition candidates, di ba? Medyo malayo. Pero kung titignan mo rin yung mga nasa loob ng Magic 12, they're not also doing too well. Lalo na yung
Oh,
mga
from
nasa
number
last
five
four.
onwards. Oh, from five
Yung nasa
onwards.
last four. Ibig sabihin, pwede silang maabot. Pwede silang malampasan with the right strategy. For lack of a better example, parang yung ginawa ni Pinoy when he first ran for the Senate. No? Kundi siya number 18, 19, 20. Nung nagkaroon siya ng magandang narrative, nagkaroon siya ng magandang ad, yung lagot ako sa nanay ko, nagbigla siyang tumaas sa number 4, number 5. Dahil malaking bahagi ng Senate race is air war. It's about a narrative. It's about a brand. It's about a peg. No? Kaya hindi ko sasabihin na hopeless yung opposition, the real opposition, kahit malayo sila sa survey. No? At medyo nagsisimula na sila mag-scale up. Siguro hindi naman dahil narinig nila yung ating mga criticisms before. No? Nagsisimula na sila mag-scale up. Nakikita mo na si Bam all over the place, negotiating with Gwen Garcia, appearing in ANC, appearing in TV5, no? Nakikita mo si Kiko Pangilinan having a TV program in TV5 together with ni together, separate with Amy Marcos, at mas maganda yung reviews ng kanyang TV program compared kay Amy, no? Kaya nakikita mo may simulang scaling up. Pare-pareha silang may radio program sa DZRH. Si Chel Jokno humaharap sa hearing sa House about EJK. So nagsisimula na sila mag-scaling up kumpara nung past 2 years na medyo natahimik sila basically. So tingin ko ay hindi naman doom yung campaign nila. Dahil sabi ko nga, kung makaka-create sila ng magandang peg, narrative at brand in so short a time, baka makahabol. Lalo na yung last four dun sa Magic 12 are not that unreachable.
Oo.
No?
Ang baba kasi ng
Yeah.
threshold eh. Medyo malayo yung iba, pero yung iba, konti na lang pwede mo silang abutan. So don't be fooled by the ranking. Ang
Yes.
abot mo dyan yung minimum threshold.
Yes. Ang mahirap, yung top 5. No? Yun yung mahirap ng abutan.
At mukhang may dalawang tulfo pa doon. Erwin versus
Oo.
Ben. So grabe to. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, but
It's
anything
about
about,
a brand.
yeah,
It's
grabe.
about a brand.
Oo, the brand. Going back to this, what are the things na I think you already talked about the things that encourage you. What are the things na feeling mo medyo kulang na? And I wanna go back to this kasi we had the Indian elections the other week, no? And Rahul Gandhi, who everyone made fun of before, na ito ay conyotic, half Italian, Cambridge boy, party boy, mga ganun. Like all of those things were thrown at him and he performed so badly
Parang,
in past
parang Richard
elections.
Heydalia. No?
Wait, hindi pa but he performed so bad in the other elections that he even lost seat in his own family stronghold. It's like Marcos losing in Lawag, right? Um, and this time he really came out very strong. He doubled the Congress seats. He denied Modi majority, outright majority. He even dared to try to form coalitions you never know. He might actually get some of Modi's coalition partners later on. So suddenly now he's seen as a front runner to succeed. Modi potentially, based on some of the analysis I'm saying, without exaggerating, nevertheless, it's huge turnaround for him. Kasi you could say Raul
He
Gandhi
was
reminds you.
able to create, he was able to create a narrative, a compelling narrative with his
And and and
march.
and, and
Ha?
Ronald, he did a listening
Binalikan
tour.
niya yung legacy ng kanyang pamilya.
Yeah, and he
Di
did
ba?
that listening tour, Ronald. What you have been saying, di ba? All around the country listening tour talaga siya. Pumunta talaga siya doon, with all the humility.
Yes.
What we have been
With
saying about.
ordinary people, di ba? With the poor, no? So hindi siya simpleng epal eh. Paano, even the poor recognize the legacy of his family. Di ba? Even the poor, lalo na yung matatanda, naaalala pa yun eh. So it struck a chord eh. It struck a chord in the electorate na tingin ko kung aalagaan nila, it could be a momentum for future elections. Diba? Pero it's also an example dun sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina. With a good narrative, with a good peg, with a good plan, pwede mong mabago yung almost unstoppable Modi train. Diba? Almost unstoppable eh. Diba? Pero na, napabagal niya significantly yung train na yan. At hindi nakakuha ng majority. 'Di ba? Na na just a few weeks before the election, parang siguradong sigurado na, a landslide Modi victory. No?
100 seats, almost barely 300 sila. So, I mean, that was huge. That was a huge differential. I don't know kung nakita mo, pag mag-YouTube ka, may isang Indian pollster, umiyak siya sa national elections because they got it so wrong. Can you imagine that? Umiiyak yung mga, I'm sorry, we got it right.
Humahabol-gol, hindi umiiyak, humahabol-gol. Parang
Oh,
si Bato sa Senate.
wait, Ronald, may sinasabi ka ba na theatrics lang yung ginagawa ng Bollywood si Kuya?
Hindi naman. Parang ganun lang yung
Parang
style niya, humahabol-gol.
tumatama
Hindi
ka.
naman.
Um, sir, yung ground game, how can they.
Tapos Richard, kung kakampanya, dalawang o tatlong hindi kandidato. Tatlong babae na hindi kandidato. Kung sasama sa campaign trail, our Nelson Mandela, si Laila de Lima, no? Yung ating Leni Robredo at saka si Risa Hontiveros. Di ba? Kung sila ay lalagyan mo ng magandang narrative, pwede nilang mabatak yung kanilang mga kandidato. Di ba? No?
But sir, what about the ground game? The ground game. Some are saying what was strong with Raul Gandhi is that ang lakas ng ground game nila. What is the ground game for the opposition here? Is there even a chance for them to have a ground game here?
Dalawa. Una, meron kang hindi insignificant na pink wave, no? Na kung yan ay masususian, mapapump prime uli, perhaps it can deliver a significant number of votes, no? Ikalawa, yung division between the unity team, magdudurugan yan eh. The Duterte slate and the Marcos slate. If you play your cards well, baka may benepisyo ka dun sa bungguan ng dalawa. No? Baka makakuha ka ng gains doon if you play your cards well. Lalo na kung yung strategies nila is somebody like Richard Haydaria.
Akala ako si Raul Gandhi ngayon, ako rin yung strategist. Lahat na lang ako. Baka ako na rin si Modi. Sir Ronald, parang yung stabbing in the front, medyo sinasobrahan na natin ngayon. Yung mami ko nga, minsan nakinig, anak, bakit ka ginagano ni Ronald? Huwag kang mag-alala. Awi ako sa kanya sa next episode yung mami ko. Kaya pag nakita
Ang
niya,
tawag niya, karinyong brutal. No? Karinyong brutal. Sabi ni Nietzsche, what doesn't destroy you will strengthen you. Oh, so, di ba?
ganito Sir Ronald, sabi ni Lord de Vera, si Nietzsche po ay medyo medyo nervous breakdown at umiiyak sa kabayo. Medyo I'm not gonna take sa half of his advices very seriously. Si Lord de Vera, ang samang tao talaga yan, no? Yung feel na feel mo
Awa na.
quote ng Nietzsche biglang, yun ba yun yung umiyak-iyak siya sa kabayo? Yung mga ganun. Ikaw ba talaga si Lord de Vera? Parang grabe ka naman mag-cancel ng tao. May point naman siya minsan eh. Thank you very much, Sir Ronald Diamas, on that very entertaining.
Anytime, pahinga ka na.
Oh,
Pahinga
medyo
ka na. It's 1:30 a.m. na dyan. No?
magalit ang kapitbahay ko dito.
At ako, kaninang umaga pa ako nagpapa-interview.
You are a superstar. Kaya hindi ka na Aldens ngayon eh. Ang BTS ka na sa akin. You are. You are my
This
hero.
is my fourth. This is my fourth, but my longest interview.
May nagpaparinig. May nagpaparinig. Sige, sir. Ihabol ko yung ano, sir. Don't worry, sir. On that note, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Ronald. Talk to you soon.